Most people blame carbohydrates for their inability to hit their health goals. They cut them out, feel exhausted, and assume that's the price of admission for getting in shape. A single potato usually costs less than $1, yet it reliably stabilizes blood sugar, strengthens your immune system, and promotes long-term cellular health. By the time we finish here, I am going to show you how to turn this exact ingredient into a rich chocolate brownie. This diagram illustrates what makes the sweet potato such an efficient biological fuel. It maps a dense payload of fiber, vitamin A, and vitamin C directly to a baseline of stabilized blood sugar. Your body doesn't panic when digesting this. It hums. The problem is how we actually eat them. Most people throw them in the oven, bake them plain, and eat them as a dry, repetitive side dish. Maintaining a diet becomes easier when you stop seeing the ingredient as a single dish and start using it as a versatile base for 20 different meals. Let's start with the foundation. Item 1. Mashed sweet potatoes. You add cinnamon and ginger to a soft, creamy base, engineering a dish that keeps your stomach full for hours. Item 2. Sweet potato toast. You bypass the flour entirely. Just slice it, toast it, and use the potato's natural structural integrity to hold your eggs or avocado. Item 3 introduces a metabolic advantage: sweet potato hash with sausage. By pairing these complex carbohydrates with heavy protein, you eliminate mid-morning cravings and prevent the standard 2 p.m. energy crash. Item 4 plays with the texture. Blend it into a smoothie with banana and almond milk, and it transforms into a thick, dessert-like liquid that fuels your entire day. This molecular flowchart demonstrates the specific mechanism at play here. The high vitamin C content in the sweet potato mechanically forces your body to bind and absorb iron at a significantly higher rate as it enters the bloodstream. These swaps change the biological impact of your first meal. You're giving the body a steady supply of energy while building better blood health from the start. Now we move to deep satiation. Item 5 is sweet potato black bean chili. It is cheap, aggressively filling, and packed with the exact fiber needed for a highly functional gut. This graph compares a rapid, steep blood sugar spike from a standard carbohydrate against the flattened, controlled curve you get with item 6, pairing the sweet potato with the fats in nut butter. The fat acts as a biological regulator. Item 7 eliminates the need for fast food entirely. Throw them in the air fryer and you get crispy, heavily salted fries without the excessive, heavy cooking oil. Item 8 is about efficiency. A sweet potato egg bake consolidates 5 days of high-density nutrition into a single hour of meal prep. Item 9 proves you can elevate the flavor profile. A Thai sweet potato peanut bowl serves as a complex, restaurant-quality base. Item 10 operates by stealth. Pureeing sweet potato into mac and cheese allows you to load a conventionally heavy, empty dish with entirely undetectable nutrients. You do not have to choose between intense cravings and hitting your nutritional targets. You can have both by building your comfort foods on a better foundation. Let's push the boundaries. Item 11. Roasted sweet potato tacos. The robust flavor profile removes the physiological craving for meat entirely. Item 12. Pancakes. The natural sweetness of the potato provides a passive, completely unnoticed reduction in refined sugar. Item 13. Pairing it with salmon. You are combining top-tier omega-3 fatty acids with high-density fiber in one plate. Item 14 uses the sweet potato as a pizza crust, turning a traditionally high-calorie flour base into a source of fiber and vitamins. Item 15. Lentil and sweet potato salad. This provides the protein and the structural bite needed to function as a complete standalone meal. Item 16. Slow cooker curry. A low-effort, high-yield system that uses time to build massive, rich flavor while you aren't even in the kitchen. Item 17. Sweet potato hummus. Your standard afternoon snacking habit becomes a vehicle for heavy nutrient delivery. Item 18 subverts every expectation of diet food. Savory sweet potato waffles loaded with bacon. And item 19. Nachos. You recreate the exact social, highly palatable experience of junk food, but infuse it with fuel your body actually recognizes. When you replace the base of these comfort foods, you keep the flavors you enjoy while removing the energy crashes that usually follow a high-carb meal. It makes the transition to better eating feel less like a sacrifice, which brings us to number 20, sweet potato avocado brownie bites. Rich, soft, incredibly dark chocolate, and completely unrecognizable from the raw vegetables sitting on your counter. Looking at this cross-section of the brownie, you can see the architecture at work. The sweet potato functions as a heavy, moisture-retaining agent to keep the crumbs soft, while the avocado steps in as a healthy fat binder. Sweet potatoes are a reliable, hyper-consistent tool. They allow you to eat dense, satisfying meals without the suffering and extreme restriction demanded by crash diets. You don't need to fear carbohydrates. You just need to put them to work. So be honest, are you going to test the smoothie, or are you going straight for the brownie? True dietary health doesn't require subtraction or expensive supplements. It comes from working smarter with the chemistry of the ingredients right in front of you.